teach CBSE 10th Maths. Hey guys, this is Tina. I teach CBSE 8th Maths. Check out our videos on the playlist. Alright, now let's get into the video.
Today we are going to be learning Chapter 5 Arithmetic Progressions Exercise 5.2 5th question. Alright, now let's read the question. Find the number of terms in each of the following APs. So the second subdivision is 18, 15, 1 by 2, 13, and so on, minus 47. So this is the second subdivision. So here, since you guys know the AP is, so what is AP? AP means arithmetic progression. So this one we call it as AP, right? So let us write those numbers, that is 18, 15, 1 by 2, 13, and so on, minus 47. Okay guys, so now since you guys know this is the AP. Okay, alright guys, so now let us write the terms. So here we call this first term as A1, second term as A2. We have comma, right? Like that we can differentiate the terms. And then third term is A3. Okay, so here what is A? So A is nothing but we are supposed to write the first term's value. Okay, so here what is A1? A1 is 18. So A and A1 both are same only. Okay, so what is the first term? It is 18. So A value is going to be 18. Okay, and then what about D? One second. So D is equal to, we are supposed to subtract A2 minus A1, isn't it? We are supposed to subtract A2 minus A1. How to do that? So because we have it in fraction form. Of course, you guys know whenever we have a mixed fraction like this, we are supposed to solve it like this. I'll just solve it here. Okay, so we have the number like this, isn't it? So we are supposed to multiply 15 into 2. So 15 into 2 is 30. Okay, so when we get a number after multiplying them, we are supposed to add it with the numerator number. Okay, so when we just multiply them, so 15 into 2 we got 30, and then let us add 30 plus 1. So 30 plus 1 is 31. So this is going to be a A2. Okay, so now since we got a value, so we can't just write randomly 31 like that. Okay, so we are supposed to write 31 divided by 2. We are supposed to write the numerator as well. So now also if you don't just understand, it doesn't matter. Okay, so I'll just explain separately. Maybe yes, most of the guys might have forgotten. So 15, we have something like this, isn't it? So one second. Okay, so now let us multiply 15 into 2. So we are supposed to multiply them. So when we multiply, we got 30. Okay, so after multiplying them, so here I'll just put this symbol. Okay, so after multiplying them, we'll get the answer, right? That is 30. So we are supposed to add the 30 with the numerator. Okay, so this is a numerator, isn't it? So this is numerator and this is denominator. So let us add 30 plus 1. So 30 plus 1 is 31. Okay, so when we just get an answer like this, we are supposed to write divided by 2. Why? Because the denominator is 2, right? That's why we are supposed to write denominator as it is. Okay, so whatever you do, whenever you solve something like this, never forget to write the denominator. That is really important. Okay, so likewise here when we just solved it, we got 31 divided by 2. Okay, so now we can actually subtract them, isn't it? So I'll just find the common difference here. Okay, so what is A2? A2, when we just solved it, we got 31 divided by 2, isn't it? And then we are supposed to subtract it with A1. So what is A1? A1 value is 18. So now we can see we are supposed to take LCM. Okay, so when we just take LCM, when we just take LCM, we get 31 minus 36 divided by 2. Okay, so when we just take LCM, we'll get something like this. Okay, so after that what we can do, After that, when we just subtract them, we get minus 5 by 2. Why? Why? Because 31 minus 36. When we just subtract them now, we get 5, and then here we have minus, that is the greatest number has minus, so I just wrote the minus as it is. Okay, so now this is our common difference. Okay, so common difference is nothing but D is the D means common difference. Okay, so now we know the common difference, that is minus 5 by 2. Okay, so I just told you guys, whenever you have a AP like this, so if the last number we have after so on, no, if we have a last number, we are supposed to take the last number as AN, isn't it? So let us take AN is equal to, so here it is minus 47, isn't it? So it is minus 47. Okay, so this is the AN. Okay, so let us mark it. Okay, so what is the question, guys? So we just found the A, we have A value, we have D value, we have AN value. So what is the question? We are supposed to find the number of terms. Okay, so since we are supposed to find the number of terms, so if I just check it out, we have A value, D value, AN value, but one value is missing. What is that? So we don't know the N value. It is in question mark. Okay, so we are supposed to solve it. Okay, so let us solve it. Okay, so I just wrote the values as it is. Okay, so now let us apply the formula. So what is the formula? So the formula is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1. Of course, we are supposed to write the brackets into D. Okay, so this is the formula. Okay, now we can substitute the values, isn't it? So what is the AN value? So the AN value is minus 47, isn't it? So let us write minus 47 is equal to, what is A value? So A is 18. 18 plus, and then we don't know N, so let us write those values as it is. And then D, what is D here? Minus 5 by 2. So minus 5 by 2. Okay, so let us write it in bracket for a difference. Okay, then only it will be easy to solve. Okay, so now what we can do now? So let us write the minus 47 as it is. So when I get this 18, okay, here it is plus 18, right? So when I get it to this side, it changes into minus 18. Okay, so minus 18 is equal to, let us write N minus 1 inside the bracket as it is, and then this also let us write it as it is. Okay, so when I just so minus minus is plus, so when I just add them now, I get 65. Okay, so when I just solve them now, I get 65. So now here is the question. So here, what is the greatest number? So the greatest number is 47. It has minus sign, so let us write the minus sign as it is. Okay, and then is equal to N minus 1 bracket minus 5 by 2. Okay, okay, so now what I am going to do is, I am going to get this value to this side. Okay, so let us write the minus 65 as it is. So when I get this value to this side, it changes into, so here be careful, okay, while doing like this, whenever we have something like this now. So here we have minus 5 divided by 2. So here 2, no, it is in the division form, isn't it? So here when we just get it to this side, it changes into multiplication, isn't it? So into 2. So here we have minus 5. Okay, so when I get it to this side, it changes into divided by minus 5. Okay, this is how we do it, isn't it? Okay, so like reciprocal, how we just take reciprocal, like that we are supposed to do it. Okay, okay, remember, okay, so whenever we have something like this, the 2, no, it will go up, and the minus 5, no, it will come down. Okay, so this one we know, so no need to explain it detailedly. So we can cancel this. Oh, let us write is equal to this N minus 1, let us write it as it is. Okay, so now what we can do is, now we can cancel the minus, this minus, and let us cancel this minus. Okay, and we can cancel 65 and 5 in 5 table. So 1 5 is 5, and then here 1 5 is 5, balance 1, 5 3s are 15. Okay, so I will just solve it here. Okay, Okay. Okay guys, so now what we can do now, we can write 13 into 2 is equal to n minus 1 as it is. Okay, so what is 13 into 2? So 13 into 2 is 26. Okay, and then we can write is equal to n minus 1. Okay, so now here it is minus 1, right? So when I get it to this side, it changes into plus 1 is equal to n. Okay, so 26 plus 1 is 27 is equal to n. So this is going to be our nth, n value. Okay, so this is going to be our n value. Okay, so according to this second subdivision now, so we are supposed to find the number of terms, right? So we just found it. Why? Because we know the n value, that is 27. Okay, so finally we solved fifth question, both the subdivisions, isn't it? Okay, so in the next video I am going to be solving the sixth question.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video. Bye.